Good afternoon, you guys. It's ATL. What's up, you guys? So right now, you guys, I'm actually heading into work. I got called in this afternoon. So that's what I'm doing. I got called in, and I'm taking the shifts because I don't really get that many shifts lately. So I'm gonna try to do like that. So that's what's going on. So I will talk to you guys when I am done work. So right now, you guys, we went to a Bible study. So we just got done, and Rachel made supper. So I'll show you guys what she made. You guys, it looks so good. Look at that! Looks, you guys, it looks so good. So right now, you guys, we are watching soccer. So that's what we're doing. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. And we are watching Simpsons, so I'm gonna end today's video. Hope you guys do enjoy this episode. Give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.